This video is brought to you by SOMEBYMI.
안녕하세요. Welcome to the second episode of Ippuni TV Playground.
Okay, today we will be unboxing new SOMEBYMI products that we have in store.
Okay, so the first one, we are going to talk about the Miracle Body Cleanser. This one, it has 400 grams for one bottle.
Its full name is AHA.BHA.PHA 30 Days Miracle Acne Clear Body Cleanser, which helps with breakouts and exfoliating dead skin cells. So here's the texture. Here you can see it's a gel cleanser. So usually the suggested usage is you use it on a sponge, shower ball sponge. You pump, I think 1 pump should be enough.
1 pump should be enough because it's quite thick.
And for me, so 1 pump should be enough. So for this size, I think you can use for quite some time lah.
And then it has a very light tea tree smell. I think it's quite soothing for the skin and it's suitable for if you have body acne or
acne lah. Alright, moving on to our second item. It is the AHA.BHA.PHA 30 Days Miracle True Cica Clear Pad.
Yeah, so it is placed in a jar and then it has 70 pads. So I think you can use for like 2 months, 1 to 2 months. It's good enough because you're not going to use it like morning and night, right? Yeah, so let's see about the texture.
So this pad, it has 2 sides, embossed and soft.
And the soft one is.
So how you use it is, first step, you take the embossed side. You scrub mainly at your T-zone area where it is always mainly oily or have more dead skin cells kan. So you take the embossed part, scrub it, and then you turn it over onto the soft part and then wipe the whole face.
But you have to avoid your
eye and your lip area. So avoid those sensitive areas. And
so
then,
this one has tea tree smell also, but not so heavy smell. It's like just a very light one.
Tapi sedap bau dia, like menthol-ish. And menthol-ish. Yeah. So here it does exfoliating, calming and moisturizing the skin.
So it can be one of your skincare routine for exfoliating maybe like at night.
Yeah, because it helps you remove the dead skin cells.
Okay, so the third product we are going to show you is Super Matcha Pore Clean Clay Mask.
Alright, it's a 10-in-1 intensive pore care. And then how do you use it is after you cleanse, and then you pakai this mask, you put it on your face. Okay, you can scoop it up, ratakan on your face and then leave it for 10-20 minutes or until the mask dries off, and then you wash it off balik. So here, what it does is it is for blackhead removal, whitehead removal, exfoliation and so on lah.
Oh, it's very thick. Oh my god, macam ada biji-biji dalam. So it can help to exfoliate as well.
Oh yeah, patutlah ada biji kan?
Yeah, 10 uses in one product, right?
Super Matcha Pore Clean Clay Mask.
Yeah. It is quite moisturizing, not like those clay masks which will dry out very fast.
Oh, yeah, bau matcha.
Bau matcha, yeah, just bau matcha lah. So it can help to improve your pores lah, like your pores to become healthier pores. Okay.
Alright, for our fourth product, here we have the AHA.BHA.PHA Real Cica 92%. Cool Calming Soothing Gel.
Yeah, so this soothing gel is suitable for your face and even for your body. Like when you have sunburn, you just apply a thin layer on it, so it will soothe your skin down.
So here it helps with skin moisturizing. It has cooling effects, multi-use soothing gel for face and body, helps to soothe irritated skin. So yeah.
So you can apply at any steps of your skincare routine that you are comfortable with.
Yeah, by the way, this is 300 ml. It's this big. It's quite big.
and it has a pump. Normally, like soothing gel in a jar type is quite not hygienic, right? So in a pump type, I think it's more hygienic than those.
And then this one bau like tea tree, right?
Yeah, about tea tree.
Tapi sedap lah bau dia.
Okay, so the fifth product is this YUJA NIACIN Brightening Peeling Gel.
So it's for skin brightening care and it has mild exfoliation effect.
So this is a peeling gel. You just put a little bit onto your face and you just massage throughout your face, and it acts as exfoliator, right? Yeah, it's
mild exfoliation lah.
Yeah, it's not so
Kasar.
yeah, not so kasar. It's like, I think it's quite gentle to the skin.
So tunjuk on your finger.
Yeah, you can see. Not like those got the very big peachy. Yeah.
So it's for brightening care. It has YUJA in it. So obviously it smells like YUJA.
Yeah, it really smells like YUJA.
YUJA is like what, lemon?
Yeah,
It's
YUJA
kind
is
of
the
like
lemon.
lemon.
Yeah, YUJA is lemon.
So it is how many ml?
120.
120 ml of peeling gel.
Yeah, so it's very good for those who are finding for like exfoliator which has brightening effects as well.
Okay, finally we have the Bye Blemish Vita Brightening Bubble Cleanser.
Yeah, so before this, this Bye Green Detox Cleanser is quite popular, and then after that they have a new product which is this Vita Cleanser has the brightening effect compared to this.
So it's an intensive brightening care. So it's a low pH brightening care cleanser, brightening care, and it says here bubble pack.
Yeah. So for those that have tried the Bye Blackhead before, it used as the same.
This is green detox, the green
this is
one,
green detox,
and
this is the Vita Tox. So when you apply, right, so you just rub it over your face. Just
on dry face lah.
Yeah, on dry face.
Like
when you clean your face, you can replace it with your cleanser because you're not going to use it every day. Maybe like 1 week, 2 to 3 times. Yeah. So this is a comparison that you can see for green detox. It is green in color, but for the Vita Tox, it has like small things inside. I think it's for exfoliation. And then when you apply on your face, you just need to wait. So you just wait. The bubble will start cleaning your face, your pore. Okay, like what you can see now.
when it foams up like this onto your face, that is when you massage it in a circular motion.
Yeah, you
Just
just
keep massaging. So when it foams up like this, right, you will just massage and then you can just wash it off.
Yeah, if we leave it on your face like for 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, I think is enough, really enough. And then after that, you just wash it off. Then you can see like your pores, everything is like getting smaller.
It's so cool. You can see it's just foaming up without doing anything.
Yeah, so you just leave it there and you just do your own things, and then you come back and you wash it off. And plus, this new product has brightening effect compared to the old one. Okay, so that's all for today's, guys.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our videos.
And also follow our IG and Facebook to know more updated information of our new products.
Alright, see you guys in the next episode. Bye bye!